What's up, Infinity Coders? Welcome to the second episode of the Python programming course. Today we're going to install something called an IDE, also known as an Integrated Development Environment. An IDE generally consists of a text editor to edit source code, a compiler or interpreter, and a debugger. For beginners, just understand that an IDE is basically a software to run and test our code. But an expert developer knows how to use it for advanced development purposes. By the way, if you don't know how a programming language works and what a compiler is, we highly suggest you watch this video on our channel. You may not understand why we're using this compiler, so it's good to check it out. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's go and download it first. Go to Google and search for Pycharm. Click on Download. Under the Community option, click Download. Now wait for a while, it will take some time to download. By the way, this is Infinity Codes. Our goal is to provide you the best programming lessons and tutorials in a simple way. If you want to learn programming and know about IT, we are here to help you. Subscribe to stay tuned and get our world-class lessons. Download is finished. Now open the downloaded file. Click Next. Next again. Now click on Install and wait. There we go. We have successfully installed Python IDE. Now let's set it up. Click on Finish. To open it, click on Search and write Pycharm. Now open the app. Now click on OK. Now choose the theme. Choose the one that you like. It doesn't matter. I choose the Darkula theme. Click Next. Next again. And there we go, we have set up the Python IDE. Now before we go any further, I'd like to know about your expectations from this course. What do you want to achieve? It could be anything. It could be like you want to build a website, make an app, get a job, or even start a company. Let us know in the comments below. And I'll see you on the next episode of the Python programming course.